souffler pas non ouais ça marche.
So I am at the Oculus and I came to see the Growing Haiti show. Come with me, check it out. Headed over to my friend's event to shoot some photos for her. Laurena on the left and Fadia on the right. Fadia is a therapist and Laurena is an artist, and it's actually through Laurena's Artist Residency that she's been hosting these creative wellness workshops centering the Haitian diaspora in Crown Heights. Specifically, she's been partnering with local organizations that are accommodating all of the Haitian refugees and migrants that are coming in to show them a good time, because I mean, we all could use a sense of escapism. Hello? But please follow Laurena to keep up with this project. I just love my Haitian lady so much. Thanks for having me, y'all.
Souffler pas non ouais ça marche.